guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of INFINITI of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2012 G37. Now, this is the convertible, and I believe this is the S. I'm going to pull the window sticker when I get to work and make sure, but rear-wheel drive, 7-speed automatic. This thing is awesome. I've been wanting to drive it for a while. We were just running it through the shop, making sure it's perfect. Yeah, tire pressure lights on. We're gonna fill this thing up with nitrogen, so not a worry there. Of course, G37, 3.7 liter V6, almost said V8. It's also a VQ. Now, the reason I'm saying I'm 99% sure this is a sport is because I read somewhere that all sports were manuals. So that's messing with my head a little bit. So I gotta pull the sticker on this car and make sure. Thing rips. Oh man. Off the top of my head, if I remember correctly, it's 321 horse, a little over 300. But the sound these things make is amazing. I like these paddles. Best thing is, this example, only 56,000 miles on it. Yeah, it's mint. This one is rear-wheel drive as well. A little sketchy in winter time, but it is what it is. love this car. It's just so much fun to drive. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.